Ever asked yourself, is RingCentral paid? It's a simple question, but the answer is a little more complex than a simple yes or no. In fact, it's a topic that can get a bit confusing, especially with all the different plans, add-ons, and free trials floating around. So let's break it down, because understanding the pricing model is crucial to figuring out if RingCentral is the right fit for your business, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. At its core, yes, RingCentral is a paid service. It's a robust, feature-rich, unified communications platform, and that kind of technology comes with a price tag. But don't let that deter you. The real question isn't whether it costs money, but what you get for that money, and how you can find the plan that works for you without breaking the bank. The good news is, there are options, and they're all designed for different needs and business sizes. RingCentral's main offering, the business phone system formerly known as MVP, now called RingEX, is where most of the paid action happens. It's an all-in-one solution that combines phone, messaging, and video conferencing. When you look at the RingEX plans, you'll see a tiered pricing structure. This is pretty standard for software as a service, and it's designed to give you more features as your business grows. Let's start with the core plan. This is their entry-level offering, and it's great for small businesses with basic VoIP needs. We're talking unlimited calls within the US and Canada, team messaging, and video meetings for up to 100 participants. The price for this plan is around $20 per user per month if you're billed annually, or $30 per user per month if you pay monthly. It's a solid starting point, giving you the fundamental tools you need to communicate effectively. Next up is the advanced plan. As the name suggests, it builds on the core plan by adding more sophisticated features. This is where you start to see things like automatic call recording, unlimited internet fax, and more advanced analytics. The advanced plan is priced at about $25 per user per month annually, or $35 monthly. It's a great option for growing businesses that need more than just the basics and want to start leveraging data and automation. Finally, at the top of the RingEX pricing ladder is the Ultra plan. This is for larger businesses and organizations that need a complete communications suite. The Ultra plan gives you everything in the advanced plan, plus unlimited storage for messaging and files, and video meetings with up to 200 participants. It also includes the most comprehensive analytics suite. The Ultra plan costs around $35 per user per month when billed annually, or $45 per user monthly. This is the big league plan, designed for companies that have heavy communication needs and a larger budget. Now, that's just the core RingEX platform. RingCentral also offers other solutions, and this is where it can get a little more intricate. For example, they have a separate offering for their AI-powered contact center solution, RingCX, which starts at around $65 per user per month. This is specifically for businesses that have a dedicated customer service team and need advanced call center functionality. And what about those video meetings? While the RingEX plans include video, RingCentral also offers a completely free video plan called Video Pro. It's a standalone product that gives you unlimited video meetings for up to 100 participants, but with a 50-minute time limit. So, if your only need is video conferencing, you can actually use RingCentral for free. This is a great way to try out the platform's video features without any financial commitment. Beyond the main plans, there are also numerous add-ons that can increase your total cost. These are things like vanity phone numbers, international numbers, high-volume SMS, and more. This is where you need to be careful and really consider what features your business needs. While the base plans are transparent, these add-ons can sneakily increase your bill if you're not paying attention. So, to answer the initial question, is RingCentral paid? The answer is a resounding yes. But it's important to see it as a menu of options rather than a single price. They've designed their pricing to be scalable, with plans for different business sizes and needs. The best way to figure out which one is for you is to assess your team's communication requirements. Are you just starting out and need a simple phone system? The core plan might be perfect. Do you need automatic call recording and integrations with your CRM? The advanced plan is probably a better fit. Or are you a large organization with complex needs? The Ultra plan is likely what you're looking for. Another thing to remember is the free trial. RingCentral offers a 14-day free trial for its paid plans, which is an excellent way to test the waters before you commit. It allows you to explore the features, get your team on board, and see if the platform is a good fit for your workflow. Just be mindful that the free trial is typically limited to a small number of users and may not include all the features. In summary, RingCentral's pricing is not a one-size-fits-all model. It's a tiered system with a range of options, from a free video plan to a full-featured enterprise solution. The cost is determined by the number of users and the level of functionality you require. By understanding the different plans and add-ons, you can make an informed decision and find the right solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.